And so they're going to opt to use this block to make sure nothing goes down here onto this B hill.
But that seems weird because you look about the opening, right? And you're, wow, Precision, nicely done by him. He's going to be able to actually help his team cap that B hill. You look at the
really guarded. Let's put all our attention here on this B point.
Yep, and it's a little bit different from what we've seen him do in the past. And now you're going to see the flood come through on with Precision. But he's going to shut that push down momentarily.
He had 3 guys on him. Okay, they couldn't finish him off. He had Lancers over his head. He was full red, and Precision, just with precision aim, taking down 3 opposing members of Vitality, and there you go with the 3rd.
Nicely played.
They can actually pretty much make a comeback here, but it's going to come down to their players across the map staying alive here in these earlier rounds. So once again, Precision, he can't be touched over here. Taking out 2 members. Give the man some help.
I mean, absolutely. As you mentioned, though, can they come back into this? I mean, a lot of damage has been done. How big is the hole they've dug for themselves? It's 5-1 down, but Precision is just making Home Street his.
Coming from Precision, looking for more as well. He's trying to get more as well.
That's confidence right there, Benson.
Until somehow you can find a slightly better frame of mind.
As well. There, of course, is that drop shot that comes through, and Precision, he catches Jay. That could be the opening.
Impactful!
Oh, that's going to be 2 for him. Achilles goes
impactful! There you go.
My.
That's how you use the drop shot. And
shattered frame of mind. Wish that you could always stay. We can wait right here and play until somehow you can find a slightly better frame of mind. Somehow you can find a slightly better frame of mind. And when the light comes through, when that day isn't you, then it will be time for a new frame of mind. When all eyes are on you, you will know what to do, since you have found your new frame of mind. When you lift your head up to the sky, take a deeper breath and give it time. You can walk the path among the lines.